AgeLess59 here to show you guys how to make this bamboo Bluetooth speaker. For this project, I will be using bamboo. I purchased mine at HomeSense. My bamboo has a split in the back side, so what we're going to have to do is obviously fill that gap so it looks like it's all in one. I just had some scrap pieces of bamboo flooring. I just cut it down on the bandsaw to the right width and just cut it down on the miter saw to the right length. And as you can see here, is a perfect fit. To make the bottom, I am using bamboo flooring that I have left over, and I'm just going to put my bamboo on top here. And I'm just going to take a long piece of pencil and trace along the inside area. Adding the cables to the back for a line in and out in our charging cable, what I did was I took the thickness of the bottom, placed my speaker on top. Then when the speaker is on top of it, as you can see in between here, right in the middle, is where the holes are. So I lightly just kind of with the pencil made it dark all the way around so that it would line up center as you see here. And for making the holes, I just used different size drill bits just to make the holes. For the square one, all I did was use my Dremel tool to make it a little bit more square, to make sure that the cable would fit in. Take your pliers and a nail and cut it into 2 pieces. once everything is all completed, now we can insert the speaker into the bottom. And you just want to make sure you line up all the holes. And then take your top part and line it up with the holes here as well. And that's the back part as well. And now we're ready to play our music. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.